Hey buddy, come here. Web-Fective detective here. Got a website? Sure you do. Want to know the one common sense trick to keep your website out of legal hot water? I'll tell you in a minute. First, let me ask you, what does wheelchair access in and out of buildings have in common with websites? Give up? Alright then. The magic word is accessibility. That's right, accessibility. See these people? Every day, they're looking at websites. Millions of them. Look at them. All happy and browsing and scrolling and clicking away like they don't got a care in the world. But guess what? It's true. The American Bar Association says most of the people who own those websites they're looking at don't have a clue about what's been brewing for years. Oh yeah, especially as it relates to website accessibility for the vision and hearing impaired and what have you. Listen to this. Case after case. The Department of Justice is suing and the courts are consistently ruling that the seeing and hearing impaired are entitled to have access to a website in the virtual world, just like everybody else, and just like people in wheelchairs should have access to any business in the physical world. What do you think about that? So, website owners? Everybody knows they mean well. They got nothing against the disabled and what's not. But they're getting sued anyway, and when they least expect it. By the disabled. Suddenly, they get one of these. What do you call it? A demand letter that their website has been named in a lawsuit. Holy moly! They go to court, they lose. They pay court costs, they pay attorney fees, and they're forced to fix the website with the judge breathing down their neck the whole time. They don't have a chance. Easy money for the attorneys, and no one puts up a fight. They can't afford to. Why? Because website owners don't know the one common sense trick to keep their website out of legal hot water. That's why. Like I said, I'll tell you what that is in a minute. Oh, and over the last 10 years, things haven't slowed down one bit. Though yeah, on the contrary, website accessibility lawsuits are really picking up steam. So much so that it got so bad that the insurance industry has joined in to sound the alarm to their policy holders. Okay, now let's look at the other side of the coin. The good news is, word is slowly getting out and uninformed website owners are getting ahead of what's going on and scrambling to find out what the heck is going on with these lawsuits. Kinda like cramming before they take the test. And more than that, what they should do to avoid a lawsuit. So, they scour the internet to get information and get educated. And what do they find? Website after website devoted to this big thing called WCAG 2.0 and what have you. They read up on it, and they hold meetings, and they try to sort out where they stand, and try to figure out what to do next. They even go high-tech to get a handle on it, and what do they find? They find this is serious stuff, and they find what I'm saying is the truth. Oh yeah, of course, yours truly, as the Web-Fective detective, I do my part to be as creative as I can to try and monitor the situation and drop hints in as many places as I can that this stuff is real, and they might should consider to think ahead to do the right thing before it's too late and what's not. Here, I'll show you. So, you take steps now, you act in good faith, you assess your website accessibility privately and quietly, and fix it for a fraction of the cost of a lawsuit. Everything is Jake, and everybody stays friends. That's all. It's a lot cheaper and a lot less headache in the long run. I'll tell you that much. Oh yeah. So what is the common sense trick to keep your website out of legal hot water? Now, I don't usually drop my knowledge on neophytes for free, but I'm in a good mood, so I'll throw you a couple of bones. The answer is easy. Mitigation. You got it? Mitigation. That means doing the smart thing before it's too late. That's what mitigation means. But how could you know? You don't know what you don't know, they always say. Well, now you know. So don't blow it. Check out this website and take care of business today. You can thank me later. Oh yeah,